hope that when students leave their campus, they shall not only possess basic skills but also a disciplined, practical mind which is capable of applying knowledge in the real-time scenarios. An education system which strongly believes in the practical knowledge of the students would be the ones who could craft the nation. Good morning and welcome to GHRC News Desk. This is Sindhu Panikar back again with yet another episode to share the laurels that each one of us at GHRC adds to our institution. The first news is about the proud moment of GHRC adding yet another jewel to its crown. Yes, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO successfully launches Amazonia-1 along with GHRC SAT and other 17 co-passenger satellites from Sriharikota on 28 February 2021 using PSLV C-51. Well, most people dwell in the belief that building a satellite is a far-fetched reality. Today, we mark the beginning of a new era, the dawn of privatization of space in India, giving hope to those that work to launch their dream of sending a satellite into outer space. GHRC has established footing into space, igniting the future ventures that cradle within the student community. India's polar satellite launch vehicle PSLV C-51 successfully launched Brazilian primary satellite Amazonia-1 along with GHRC SAT. That's a student nano satellite developed and designed by GHRC and other 17 co-passenger satellite on 28 February 2021 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. PSLV C-51 lifted off from the first launch pad of Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota at 24 hours as planned. After a flight of about 17 minutes, the vehicle is injected the Amazonia-1 into its intended orbit and GHRC SAT successfully separated from PSLV at 12:19 hours and placed successfully in the intended lower Earth orbit at 512.4 km from Earth's surface. Similarly, in succeeding 1 hour 38 minutes, other 17 co-passenger satellites successfully separated from PSLV into LEO into a predetermined sequence. Fueling the aspirations of the student community in building their own satellite, GHRC Unisat constellation comprising a 460-gram satellite was destinated. We mark the success of this long-earned mission as we receive the proof of live transmission from our child product over Serbia at 3:31 p.m. on 28th February. PSLV C-51 Amazonia-1 is the first dedicated commercial mission of New Space India Limited, that's NSIL, a Government of India company under Department of Space. Department of Space and Government of India has signed MOU with consortium of 3 colleges includes GHRC Nagpur on 22nd January for testing GHRC SAT at UR Rao Satellite Center, URSE Bangalore, formerly known as the ISRO Satellite Center. URSA is the lead center for building satellites and developing associated satellite technologies, and GHRC SAT has been indigenously developed and designed by GHRC, having the mass of 460 grams and come under PICO category of satellite. And GHRC had established ground station to monitor the live tracking status of the satellite with state-of-the-art facility with satellite server and clean room along with the control and command room to monitor the satellite. 12 students along with 5 faculty members and Project Director Dr. Mahendra Gaikwad had taken forward the journey that begins almost 1 year before with constant inspiration and motivation from mentors Dr. Sachin Untawale, Director GHRC, and Dr. Milind Khanapurkar, Deputy Director GHRC, with active involvement of students from information technology, computer science, electronics and telecommunication, mechanical and electronics. Launching and testing of GHRC SAT developed by GHRC has been made possible through ISRO due to central government initiative proposed in June 2020 under Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center. GHRC SAT has remained in sun synchronous polar orbit for around 6 months at an altitude of 512.4 km, and it would cross India twice a day just for 5 minutes in a single pass and provide the intercommunication among around 300 nano satellites. GHRC SAT is basically designed and developed with the mission objective for technical demonstration of inter and intra communication among other nano satellite to strengthen the satellite constellation. To represent GHRC, Dr. Mahendra Gaikwad, Project Director, GHRC SAT, has visited Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, to participate in the proceedings of launching of GHRC SAT, right from deployment to rehearsal of PSLV, C-51 and other satellites, from first launch pad of SDSC in Mission Control Center, along with Dr. K. Shivan, Chairman ISRO and Secretary, Department of Space, Government of India, Dr. Uma Maheshwaran, Scientific Secretary, ISRO and Interim Chairman, URSC. The launch was witnessed by the visiting Brazilian Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation, Macros Pontes, and the heads of the Brazilian Space Agency, that's AEB, and the National Institute for Space Research, INPE, at Sriharikota on 28th February. After launching of all 19 satellites, Dr. K. Shivan, Chairman ISRO, has announced that mission was successful and all 9 satellites were launched in precise orbit by PSLV C-51 launch vehicle. During the launching, Dr. K. Shivan, in his concluding remark, has congratulated the entire team of ISRO and GHRC for development of nano-satellite GHRC SAT. In a tweet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated NSIL and ISRO on success of the first dedicated commercial launch of PSLV C-51 Amazonia 1 mission, along with the institutions who are involved, where GHRC is also part of it. And on behalf of GHRC, Dr. Mahendra Gaikwad, Project Director and one of the coordinator of College Consortium, has expressed a deep sense of gratitude towards Dr. K. Shivan, Dr. Uma Maheshwaran, Dr. Unni Krishnan and other distinguished scientists from ISRO, and NISL for providing the excellent platform to demonstrate the high and technical skill, and GHRC becomes one of the top 10 institutions in India that have built up and developed their own satellite and successfully put into LEO as first private institution in India. GHRC SAT includes the e-copy of GHRC satellite, and the team comprises with management, representation, director, mentor, project director, faculty members and GHRC student satellite. Team has been saved on memory card of GHRC SAT. Similarly, Satish Dhawan satellite from Space Kids India includes an engraved picture of Prime Minister, which symbolizes his initiative of Atmanirbharta and space privatization, and an e-copy of Bhagavad Gita, which is saved on an SD card, is also part of the package. GHRC students declared as Indian champions is the next news that we have got. Yes, they have been declared as Indian champions at Microsoft Imagine Cup 2021. The 6th semester students of GHRC, Mr. Atharva Peshkar, Ms. Rishi Mishra, Mr. Atharva Kedkar and Mr. Yash Mohrir had witnessed a sweeping victory on 26 February and have emerged as the Indian champions, top 1 team in India and world finalists for Microsoft Imagine Cup 2021. They proved themselves at every step of the rigorous 6-round process, competing with thousands of projects submitted this year. In the India Grand Finale, they had an opportunity to showcase their project to an esteemed panel of judges, Mr. Anand Maheshwari, President Microsoft India, Mr. Manish Kumar, Chairman National Skill Development Corporation, and Mr. Pulkit Jain, co-founder Vedanta. They'll be competing at World Finals on 24th of March 2021 with 40 teams from around the world. Imagine Cup is the most prestigious annual competition sponsored and hosted by Microsoft Corporation, which brings together students, developers worldwide to help resolve some of the world's toughest challenges. Started in 2003, it had steadily grown with more than 358,000 competitors representing 183 countries and regions. The Imagine Cup Worldwide Finals have been held all over the globe. The next news is about a GHRC student who receives IEEE Richard Merwin Scholarship. Mr. Vedant Bail, student of Department of IT, published his first book on Python projects. This book is specially designed to cater the needs of CBSE 11th and 12th students as per the curriculum. This book has been published by Mr. Vedant along with Ms. Reema Tareja, a renowned author in the computer science space. And this book is one of the first book out of 4 books that Vedant is working on. As per him, there would be more such publications coming along. And Mr. Vedant Bail on Saturday also received IEEE Richard A. Merwin Prestigious Scholarship Award worth $1,000. The award is a recognition of his volunteerism at IEEE and his academic achievements. Each cycle Merwin Award is given to around 15 students from all over the world, and GHRC is proud to acknowledge that our student Mr. Vedant stands one amongst them. The next news is about the ISR activity on awareness of eco-friendly energy efficient school campus by Electrical Engineering Department GHRC at Jilla Parishad School, Isasani, Hingna. National Service Scheme Scale and Department of Electrical Engineering of GHRC conducted awareness program on eco-friendly energy efficient campus as a part of Institute Social Responsibility in Jilla Parishad School, Isnani, Nagpur on 29th of January. And 42 students and 5 teachers from the school have been a part of this ISR activity. This activity was mainly focused on quality of water, waste management, energy conservation and effective utilization of energy resources within the school campus precisely. The students and teachers of the school were also enlightened about small solar-based electrical appliances and energy conservation innovative projects which can be undertaken by faculties and students. Dr. P.M. Daigwane, HOD, Electrical Engineering, and Professor M.B. Borkar, Program Officer, NSS, provided mentoring to Professor Akshay Deshmukh and Professor Ankur Gupta for conducting and coordinating the activity. Dr. Sachin Untwale, Director GHRC, congratulated the coordinators and mentors for the successful conduction of the event. Shri Garde, Principal, Jilla Parishad School, Isasani, Nagpur, expressed their gratitude along with the team for enlightening their students and conducting this awareness program. This is all from us for the week. Stay connected with GHRC News Desk for further updates. Until we meet you next time, this is Sindhu Panikar signing off. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.